Welcome to Technia TV. I am Shalini Guliani, Assistant Professor, BA JMC Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Zero Moment of Truth, that is Z mode. Whether we are shopping for a cornflakes, concert tickets, or honeymoon in Paris, the internet has changed how we decide what to buy. At Google, we call this online decision making movement of the zero moment of truth or simply Z mode. The Z mode refers to the movement in the buying process when the consumer research a product prior to purchase. Google introduced the word to a new marketing concept, the zero moment of truth, that is Z mode, and understanding of this marketing movement can be quite useful to both new business looking to break into the world of online marketing and established companies looking to grow more in online presence. Here is a quick breakdown of the Z mode and how you can use it for the advantage purpose. Identify the moment a need is created. Google defines Z mode as the exact moment when a consumer has a need, intent, or a question that he or she would like to address through an online search. These questions can be anything from what cleaners are the most effective on hard water stains or what pizza chain deliver in my area. Brands that step up to answer these questions can gain a competitive advantage over brands that do not. Approaching your brand in a new way. Like any good marketing plan, harnessing the Z mode starts with how you define and display your brand. Instead of approaching your product from an angle that push facts, figures, values, you should look at it from a consumer point of view. An important step in harnessing the Z mode is figuring out what type of information customers are frequently searching for in relation to your product. For instance, if you have on an organic soap business, you would want to know if users are commonly searching for things like what kind of soap will make my skin softer, what soap are safe for a newborn baby. If you are aware of this search tendency, you can step up your marketing efforts to demonstrate how your product can be an answer to these questions. Winning at Z mode. Winning at the Z mode requires more than just approaching your brand differently. You will also need to increase your search engine marketing efforts and publish relevant content to support your product. It's importantly that you strategically place your product in a position where it can answer online questions. This will increase immediate conversion because consumers will have more incentive to buy your product if they find it as an answer to search query. In addition, this will help you build brand awareness because consumers will recall seeing your products when they looked online for a solution to a specific problem. Winning at the zero moment of truth is not something that will happen overnight. This process requires advanced search engine marketing knowledge and regular produce supporting content. However, when all these components work together, consumers will be able to find your product right and when they need it. So, what does the Z mode mean for me? The Z mode is a huge factor in determining a product's success. Nowadays, products must hold up not only to industry standards but also to the reviews for any customer who have ever used the product. Digital analyst Brian Solis posits that in the internet era, the customer experience is usually shared one because consumers trust each other more than business and can easily share their experiences. Google announced Z mode is now the most important step in consumer process. So what can you do as a business to ensure your product survives the zero moment of truth? Make information about your product readily available so shoppers can compare. Solicit reviews about your product, good or bad. They will help you improve. Get your product listed in buyer's guides. Be prepared for rigorous comparison versus similar products. Marketing with the Z mode in the mind can be scary leap for traditional marketers, but you should embrace it. The advent of the Z mode represents not an obstacle but a leap forward in giving consumers what they really need and want. What does the Z mode look like? While much of the research behind the Z mode has been focused on B2C companies, B2B companies have something to learn from the concept as well. Let's look at a simple scenario of someone encountering the Z mode during a B2B buying cycle. XYZ, a marketing director at software company, sees a PPC ad on Google for marketing automation. The ad function as the stimulus in this example because it piques her interest enough for her to want to learn more. XYZ decide to do some research. This is the zero moment of truth where she looks at the product reviews and buyers guides to find the right marketing automation system for her needs. Next comes the first moment of truth where XYZ decides to purchase a marketing automation system. Lastly, there is the second moment of truth, which is the experience that XYZ after buying the product. So this is how Z-Mode works and why it is important. This is all in this lecture. Hope you understand it. For watching more videos, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.